Okay guys, welcome to my new video. Today I will show you how to update GRUB loader in your system. So you need to first open your terminal and sudo apt update. This is the very necessary command that you should write before updating any other package, because it helps to update the local package index on your system. So this command is very necessary. So sudo apt update, first do it. It's asking for password, so let me write password. Here we go. Okay, so the next command to upgrade your GRUB bootloader is the sudo apt upgrade. Okay, hit enter. That's why it's getting updated. So it's taking time. Let me pause the video. Okay, it took me like more than 5 minutes to upgrade this. So I hope in your system it will take a little bit. Yeah, it varies according to the system. So this is the command, and after this you need to reboot your system. Like you can do sudo reboot and press enter, and it will reboot. Like I don't want to reboot for now. So this is all about updating your GRUB loader. Thank you.